Hi guys, how you doing? We're back for another vegan video today, and it's a classic. Have you noticed the price of hummus is through the freaking roof? Oh my god, it's so much cheaper to make it at home, and it's so much easier. One time, my dog is always drinking!
They always want to drink right when we start filming.
They get so thirsty. It's not even Thursday. Alright, it's really, really easy. It really hurts me when I have to plunk down like $4 for a little tiny thing of hummus when it's not on sale. So that's why I'm going to show you how to make a basic hummus at home. Now this is very customizable. If you like more of certain ingredients or less of certain ingredients, it's all going to work. If you don't like a lot of garlic, don't put a lot of garlic. If you don't really like cumin, don't put cumin. It's fine. So also, this can be customizable by the toppings that you put on top of it. You can put roasted red peppers, you could put caramelized onions. You don't even have to use chickpeas to make it. I know some people probably have stomach upsets for chickpeas. Sometimes I feel like that too. Like if I eat too many chickpeas, it just... So you can use lentils. You can use cannelloni beans. You can use small white beans. Cannellini?
I think it's cannellini.
Sorry. Self-isolation brain. Not self-isolation.
Quarantine.
Quarantine brain. Sorry. So today we're going to be using chickpeas. And I don't like to make mine like too oily. So if you like more oil, use more oil. I'm going to say that right up front because we don't like to eat a lot of oil generally. So I'm not going to be putting as much. I'm doubling the amount of chickpeas because I want more chickpeas and like less tahini and less oil. So it's basically double the chickpeas but the same amount of most of the other ingredients. So you can also make your own chickpeas at home. Cook them on top of the stove or in your Instant Pot. But I'm feeling a little lazy today, as most days. And I'm just going to use this, let's see, is this 32 ounces?
It's a big can.
It is a big can. This is 29 ounces. We're going to take it over to the sink and we're going to rinse it out in the strainer. We're going to drain it and we're going to rinse off the aquafaba. You could also save that and use it to make vegan meringue. Did I lose any? No. No runaways. Alright, so we're just going to rinse these off. Ooh, that splashes a bit, doesn't it? It's
a little bit.
Oh, that's going to be nice in the summertime.
I didn't even know the sink had that setting.
Yeah, you didn't know?
No.
Oh, now you know. The more you know. We don't want to lose any. A lot of people also, if you don't, some people think that taking the skins off of them will help with the stomach upset. If you have an issue with chickpeas, you could do that too. I'm not going to do that. If I just see a couple here that, you know, I'll just get rid of them like that. So you could do this. Get off me, skin. You could do this in a blender or you could do it in a food processor. I wouldn't recommend it by hand because...
You're going to hate yourself.
Well, I don't think you could ever get it fine enough by hand. So, you know, with like mashing it. Unless you like chunky hummus, but I don't. I like it super smooth. So we're going to put our chickpeas in here. If anybody wants to know about this strainer, I believe I got it many, many years ago at TJ Maxx. I'm not sure if they have these anymore, but I'm sure if you looked up Sur la Table or, do they have Conran's anymore? I don't even know. Probably Pottery Barn might have it. Any higher priced kitchen store, let's face it, it's going to be expensive. It's going to be like $15. All right, so next we're going to put in our salt. These chickpeas in the can are pretty salty. So I'm only going to use a half a teaspoon of sea salt. I'm going to use my cumin because I like cumin. Oh, it smells like falafel. I'm going to use a teaspoon of falafel, of cumin. And I really like garlic. And a lot of people use fresh garlic in here, but I find that it lasts longer in the fridge if you use this. And the flavor is more garlicky if you use the organic granulated garlic. This is a really good one that I get at Sam's Club. Oh, so good. And it never tastes bitter. Sometimes when you use the fresh garlic, it tends to taste a little bit bitter. So I hate bitter. Do you know anyone who likes it? All right, so now I always do this in a specific order because I hate washing things more than once. And I like to do the oil first because it kind of helps all the other stuff that I'm measuring come out of the measuring cup. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of oil. That's probably about a little bit more than 2. Like I said, not a big deal. This doesn't have to be exact. You don't even have to measure this. You could definitely just do this by eye and everything will be okay. We got lemon juice. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. If you've got fresh, that's probably a large lemon amount. Without the seeds, of course. And then we're going to do some tahini. And I love this tahini. I get this from Thrive Market. And it comes in the squeezy pouch. And that's so much nicer than trying to mix the one that's in the jar. It's like trying to mix natural peanut butter. If you let that bad boy sit for too long, you're going to hate life. This one, you just squeeze it, give it a little massage, and you're ready to go. And it's no mess. Just you squeeze it right out like in a tube of toothpaste. I got a little hard one in there. I'm going to do just a little bit more than 1/4 cup. Let that drain out. And just give it another good little squeeze because it looks like I got a little
It's like you got a
log jam in there. Sometimes when this is sitting for a while, it settles and you can't get that. You really got to work it to get that lump out of there.
This is weird.
Okay. All right, now we're going to blend it. Lock it up. Turn it on. Okay, if this is too thick, which it is right now, we're going to be just drizzling a little bit of filtered water in there. We're going to add it about a tablespoon at a time. But it's looking pretty good. I don't like it too thin. Maybe just another 1/2 teaspoon. And we're done.
Whoa.
We're just going to plate it up now and enjoy it. All right, we're plated up here. This part's just optional. It's nicer for like a party and everybody's appetite if you just add a little bit of olive oil, like around the top. And you do a little paprika. It's beautiful.
Ooh.
Right?
Gorge.
Or this is the time of the show when you can put your optional toppings on, like the caramelized onions or the roasted garlic or the roasted red peppers. We didn't have those things today, so we're just doing basic. So now it's time for Maddie to test it. All right, let's give it a shot.
All right.
We've got some beautiful crackers from Foods Alive. They sent us to try. Nice flax crackers.
This is going to be nice. Smells amazing.
Fresh, right?
Very, very good. I'm not double dipping. It's the other side.
The lemon really comes through. It's nice and fresh. And
I love the lemon.
And the garlic's not bitter.
It's really good.
So look at how quickly you just saved yourself like $4 or more. Because at Sam's Club, the container that
Hummus can be
size
expensive.
on sale is $4.98, I think it is. So that can of the Goya chickpeas is what, $2. If you buy the store brand, you could probably make this for under $2.
Delicious.
Including the tahini. So like, yeah. I'd like to save that every week.
I know. I'm trying to control myself because I'm about to exercise and I don't want to be like, But it is really, really good.
Yeah, well, there you have it. Homemade hummus. So simple, so easy. It's a no-brainer. And you probably have all the stuff at home ready to do it.
Yeah, at least for the basic one.
Right. So give it a shot. Subscribe for more.
Let us know if you like this.
Hang out with us this Friday for a special live stream containment episode.
Alright, so anyway.
We'll be doing something fun. 2 p.m. Eastern Standard.
Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. And until then, much love.